Now, there are several ways to interact inside of your team, and you're going to see them at the bottom of your conversation area. You can use emoticons. So for example, one of the things you can do is you can click in an emoticon and you can insert it into your conversation. And when you hit enter, that part of your conversation will then be visible to the entire team. You can also share a GIF from Jiffy. And so you can search for a specific one. And once you do that, you can then click in. You can share it along with a phrase. Once you do that, you can either click the arrow or you can press enter. It will then be visible to the entire team. You can also share a sticker, and then the process is going to be the same. Once you find the one you want, you can then write in a caption. And once you've written it in, you can then click done, and then you can click enter, and your sticker will then be part of the conversation. You can also praise a specific person by clicking on the praise icon. You can then click on the badge that you want, and you can send that praise to a specific individual. When you do that, you can then write in a note. You can then preview it. You can then send it. That individual will then receive that praise on their screen. You may have noticed we skipped over the camera, and that's because the camera is for conducting a meeting. And we will do that inside of this channel, inside of this team in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.